Well, hello, my students. I hope life is good out there in the snow-covered world. Now, we may have several days off this week if it hits the way the weather people are saying, because the cold on Wednesday and Thursday, you never know. So whenever we have a day off like that, plan on videos. Now, here's what's really scary, though. This is the last of my snacks. That's all I have, Little Debbie donuts. What am I supposed to do? There's no way I can make it 2 or 3 more days with just this little pack of donuts. I don't know. But I want to spend a couple days on fractions. So, remember with adding and subtracting fractions, you have to get the same denominators. So if you remember way back, you'd say that's a half, and this would be, that's a horrible circle, but that would be fourths. So halves, fourths. So if I said, look, I got 1/4, and here I have a half, how much do I actually have? Well, the first thing you have to do is recut the circle. Now this should be the same size as this, so imagine it's not, but imagine. So I'm going to recut this, so that would be 2/4 plus the 1/4, so that means I have 3/4 altogether of whatever that is. So the first thing I need to do is define the LCD, lowest common denominator. Now this one should be pretty easy, because 2 and 5, what number does both of them divide into nicely? Then usually they want the smallest one, although if it's not the smallest one, that's okay. Oh, donuts. Oh, sorry, trying to concentrate. So 10 would be my LCD. Then you go, what do you multiply 2 by to get 10? And that's 5, so you got to multiply that to the top. Because 5 over 5 is 1, so I can multiply by 5 over 5. This one, 5 times what is 10? That's 2, so distribute the 2. Now, if you remember adding and subtracting fractions, you keep the denominator. That's how many slices it was cut up into, and you just combine the tops. 5 times 5x plus 2x is 7x. 25 minus 6 would be 19. Then you look, can I reduce anything? But 7 and 19 are prime. So over here, what would the LCD be here? Now, people have a hard time with this, but 2 and x are both unique, so you need both of them. So the LCD would be 2x. So what do you multiply 2 by to get 2x? And that's x, so that'd be x squared. What do you multiply x by to get 2x? That'd be 2. So then you combine the top, x squared plus 2x plus 2. Over 2x. Then can I reduce anything? Nope. 2x plus x squared plus 2x plus 2 is not factorable. Now here's where people get lost. X plus 1 and x plus 2. So, oops, sorry about that. There we go. So, notice they're different. The bottoms are different. So I need both terms. Put in 7. This would be 8. 7 plus 2, this is 9. There's nothing in common with 8 and 9. So you actually need both for the LCD. So what do you multiply x plus 1 by to get x plus 1, x plus 2? And that'd be x plus 2. So I'd multiply that to the top. X plus 2 times 3. What do you multiply x plus 2 by? Well, that'd be x plus 1. 4x plus 4. So it'd be 7x plus 10 over x plus 1, x plus 2. Then this one, you got to find the LCD. Well, the first thing you have to do is factor it up. So I'm going to factor this up to x plus 5, x minus 5. So what would the LCD be? Well, I got the x plus 5. I need the highest power each unique item occurs is another way of looking at it. I have one of these, I have one of these, so you need one of those. I only have one of these here, but none of them here, so I need that. So my LCD is x plus 5, x minus 5. Doop. X plus 5, x minus 5. Now we're going to do some more of these tomorrow, so don't panic if you're having a little trouble. But I already have both, so I just multiplied top by 1. I already have both. This one, I have the x plus 5, but I'm missing x minus 5, so it'd be 3x minus 15. So it'd be 3x minus 11 over x plus 5, x minus 5. Now, if you want to distribute or FOIL both of these, that's fine, x squared minus 25, or leave it like that. Can't factor anything, so I'm done. Last problem. So this is a quick lesson today because of the horrible snow. Donuts. Oh, I'm sorry, kind of lost concentration. So I'm going to factor this. It's x plus, 1, x plus 3. This is x plus 3, which is x plus 3 squared. So my LCD would be x plus 1, x plus 3 squared. So it's the highest power each unique item occurs. So it'd be like if I had 8 and 16 in the bottom. You'd say there's 3 2s, there's 4 2s, so I need the 4 2s. I need the most. So this is missing x plus 3, so it's 5x plus 15. Gonna do a little shortcut here. This is missing the x plus 1, so it'd be 3x plus 3. And I already combined the bottom then. So I took a little shortcut, I admit that. Combine the top, so it's 8x plus 18 all over x plus 1, x plus 3 squared. So I did that a little quick, and I didn't do a lot of talking, I guess. But you need to get a common denominator, and the common denominator is the highest power each unique item occurs. So if I had, let's look at this, got a little time, 1/10 plus 1/12. Well, 10 is 2 times 5. 12 is 4 times 3, and 4 is 2 times 2, or 2 squared. So the 1 2, 2 2, so I need the 2 2s. 1 5, no 5, so I need the 1 5. And 1 3, no 3, I need the 1 3. So the LCD would actually be 15 times 4, which is 60. So it'd be 60 plus 60. This is missing the 5. This is 6, so it's 11 over 60. So the key is, it's the highest power each unique item occurs. Oh, are you impressed I didn't eat a donut during the video? I am. Have a happy day. Go out and shovel 25 old people's sidewalks. Bye-bye.